Hello guys, my name is Disha and today I am doing a winter inspired nail art. Now since winters have already started, I thought of doing a snow filled up nails and giving a Christmas twist to it by adding these red and green leaves, and this is looking so damn cute. Okay, so now what I've done is that on this finger I'm wearing a single coat of this polish. This one is made by me and it's a Franken polish and it's in a Maybelline color. Do not get confused with this because the clear polish was from Maybelline Color Show. So I added, I suppose, 4 drops of red and around a couple of drops of white polish, and that is it. This is what I got, and I will link the Robin's video in the description box in which she has taught how to do a Franken polish. Okay, so after this, now on my very sheer pink color that I've made myself, I am wearing a single coat of this white glitter polish. Since it's all winter inspired and I want to keep them as white as possible, I am just gonna apply a single coat of this white glitter polish onto my nail, and now I will let it completely dry. Till then, let me introduce you to the stamping things I am using. Okay, so the plate that I'm using for stamping is this one, M57 by Cunard, and the pattern I'm stamping is this one, this pattern. Now here is my stamper, an XL size stamper, and I've made the stamper by myself, and I really thank Dimple from Crazy Polish. She actually helped me out in modifying my stamper a little bit, and she also told me that we should not use polish remover onto the head of the stamper since it affects it. So now what I do is that I clean it. I'll show it to you later the way I'm cleaning it. And the stamping polish that I'm using is this one by Cunard, simple white polish. So once my base is completely dry, I will be stamping on the image. So now I will be stamping on, and to stamp I'm gonna put up my white polish here. I hope you can see with all that light, and using an old credit card I will just wipe out and would stamp my image, and there is the image right there. It has focused, and now removing the plate, I would be taking my time to stamp over. Now I hope you can see it, I'm in frame. I have to keep in mind that it should be very nicely and cleanly done, and that's it. So there is my okay, so as Dimple told me, I'm gonna clean my stamper, and the way I'm cleaning it is that whatever is left over, I have taken a piece of tape here, scotch tape, and I'm just gonna run over my stamper 2-3 times, and there it is. It's clean, and thank you so much, Dimple. Okay, now with help of a makeup sponge, it's a very soft makeup sponge. What I'm gonna do is that I have here is my white polish out in my plate, and from this side I am gonna dip my sponge into the white polish, and I am gonna run it over the very tips of my nail in a rolling motion, and then I'm gonna dab, and I am gonna repeat it. I'll just bring it up in order to create some snowflakes, like so. I'll just bring it a little above, like now it's correctly focusing. Now you can see that it's like dots are coming up. So I am just, the dabbing motion will automatically give me those dots. So I am gonna nicely put up like that, and now I'm gonna dab only on my tips. Okay, so now I will be dabbing in on my tips, on the very tips only, for the last time, and that will give me a satisfactory result. Okay, so now here is my green acrylic, light green by Fevicryl, and now I will be showing you how am I doing the Christmas leaves. For the Christmas leaves, I am simply going like this, and then just a little pulling them down, and now from this side as well I'm just going like this, just pulling them down, and here as well I'll be just making one more leaf and just pulling down. I'm not doing much of a job, it's very simple thing I've done. Yep, there it is. Did you see? I'm just done, and now here is my red stones. So this wheel is by Cunard, by the way, and here is my top coat, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put a drop of my top coat right here, and now with the back of my brush itself, just dip the back a little bit in the top coat so that it's easy for you to pick up the stones. And I am gonna create a triangle berries. Oh, and they look so cute. I did this last year as well on Christmas, and this year also I'm doing these berries, and they look so cute. And there it is. If you want, you can do this design on all your nails, but I think I'll just keep it as simple as this. And now I always put a fast dry top coat over my nails so that it dries up fast. The last coat of the top coat is always a fast dry for top coat. So there is my top coat sealing in my acrylic leaves, my stones, and it would even dry fast. And on this nail as well, I will be just top coating and finishing up. I will be leaving it as it is. Now if you want, you can add snowflakes, you can add red dots, you can add a Santa hat or whatever to give it a Christmas twist. You can add in whatever Christmas goodie you like. So with this, I come to an end of this tutorial. I hope you like this, and if you do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.